Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video I will be unboxing this parcel that my great friend Sagan from Canada sent me, and yeah, it's been the past 6 days has been the worst because I've just wanted the parcel now, but unfortunately I had to wait 6 days for it, and it's finally here. And I've sent her basically I've sent her a few bits from England over, and you'll see that whenever she uploads a video. And yeah, so I've got my utensils here, scissors and a knife, and I'm basically filming this video because she wanted me to. I was going to save this parcel until Christmas, but Sagan was like, no, do it now. So it just says Merry Christmas on the front, Merry Christmas Amelia. Thank you for spelling my name right, because lots of people, my college tutor, which was my tutor for 2 years, still spells my name wrong. Yeah, and then I hate distance. You always meet the best people, and they are always far away. Literally, it's like 2,000 miles away. If I could, I would come visit you right now. One day, Sagan, one day, because we have planned it. Just, it's quite hard. I don't want to open it. It's so pretty, but I don't want to open it. I want to cry. I want to cry. But yeah, this says greetings from Canada. Now my card seems rubbish. Here we go. So big paragraph, won't read it, but I'll read that after the video because we're already 4 minutes in. The next thing is, oh, I don't like ketchup. I'll give them a try. I'm not a big fan of ketchup or tomato sauce. I literally haven't eaten it in like 4 years. I'll give them a try. That does not taste like tomato sauce. It really doesn't. But yeah, I really like them. Oh, a bath bomb in amethyst. I'll probably do a video on my channel. I have no idea what this is. A headband of some sort. Oh, my head's too big for that. Oh, that, yeah. Jeez, squash my head. And we have some Smarties. We have Smarties. We've sent each other Smarties. But yeah, these are... I'm gonna test them. Jeez, my hair's a mess. Tastes slightly different than English Smarties. Quite like them. And here we have some rockets, and these are pretty much our fizzers. So I'll try these. Smells a bit different than normal ones, but I'll try these. It's like fizzes, but a lot softer and without the sourness to it. And the last thing is this very nice book in purple again. Nothing in the book, but it is just a plain notebook. Package. I will literally go away and read my card. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your package, Sagan. Yeah, a lot smaller than what mine is, but you know, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!